Hi friends, this is your Srinivas. Welcome to second session of application of trigonometric classes. Dear friends, in our first introduction part, I explained about historical approachment of application of trigonometry as well as learning outcomes. In that learning outcomes, angle of elevation, angle of depression, we discussed very clearly. Today we are going to solve such a questions, then we can understand the topic is very easily. Let us see, dear friends. Yes, first question is a boy observe the top of an electric pole. A boy is observe the top of an electric pole to be at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. That pole is observation point is 8 meters away from the pole, away from the foot of the pole, then find the height of the electric pole. In this question, our signature is, what is our signature, friends? Yes, what are the key points from the question? We picked it. Why this is the key point? Elevation, theta, and 8 meters, and find height. These are the four keywords are there. That keywords are we have to write. Like take a one triangle, right angle triangle. Yes, this is called thinking as a electric pole. Now angle of elevation, we have line of sight above the horizontal line. Yes, this is called angle of elevation. This arrow marks the top position. This is theta. Theta is given 60 degree. And first point is angle of elevation. Second point is theta. Third point is this distance is 8 meters from foot of the tower to 8 meters away. 8 meters away. Okay. This is the distance from the observer to the foot of the tower. Then find the height of the pole. This is your question. This is the main information trailer of this question, friends. Now I have to solve this question. Let us see in our style. Chalo. Now solution. What is given? We have to angle ACB. That is nothing but theta. It is nothing but 60 degree. Now the distance between the foot of the distance between the foot of the tower to the observer is 8 meters. Find. Let us take AB equals H equals to question mark. Clear. Now I have to apply the knowledge. Very important thing is that I have to apply the knowledge of trigonometry, dear friends. The knowledge is, yes, I am sharing with you. Just listen 1 minute. Yes, ABC. For suppose this is theta. Where is the theta? Quite opposite. Quite opposite side is nothing but opposite side. Real? Right. Where is the theta? Quite opposite side is opposite side. Yes. Where is the 90 degree? Quite opposite side is called hypotenuse. This one is adjacent side. Dear friends, according to, we have to compare these two diagrams. Which one we have to find? AB. Which one we have to find? OS. Opposite side we have to find. Which is given? BC given. Which is given? AS given. Yes. AS given, we have to find OS, means OS by AS. Think, yes, tan theta. That trigonometric ratio I have to apply here, then we will get the answer, right friends? Now let us see. Now tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. From this diagram, opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. Now tan theta is nothing but 60. Now AB is we have taken as let H. Now BC is nothing but 8. Dear friends, tan 60, yes, from the table 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, yes, root 3. Tan 60 is called root 3. Root 3 is equals to H by 8. Do the cross multiplication, H equals to 8 root 3 meter. Therefore, the conclusion, we have to give the conclusion. Therefore, the height of electric pole is 8 root 3 meters. This is your answer. We should get in simple way, friends. If you know two things, you know Osa Chota, you know trigonometric table. This application of trigonometric questions are very easy for you, friends. Right? Now let us see one more good question. Is such a good question upon this concept. The question is, Kartikeya observes Sri Sai. One person observes another person standing on the ground from a helicopter. Kartikeya is there on a helicopter He is observed the person on the ground. His name is Sri Sai. He is observing on helicopter with an angle of depression is 45 degree. If the helicopter flies at the height is 50 meters, height of the helicopter is 50 meters at the ground, and what is the distance between that person to this person, and the Kartikeya to Sri Sai? We have to find the distance, right friends? By using the important techniques here, points are here. Angle of depression, first keyword, theta is 45, height of the helicopter is 50 meters. We should find distance between these two persons. These are the important points in this question. Chalo, now solution. What is given from the question, dear friends? Yes, height of the helicopter is 50 meters is given. Theta equals to, here theta equals to 45. Angle of depression, these two are equal, I said, because alternate interior angles are equal. These two are alternate interior angles are equal. This is horizontal line, imagination horizontal line. This is called line of sight. Clear friends? Now height of the helicopter is given from the ground. Angle of depression is given. We should find distance between Kartikeya to Sri Sai. These two distance we should find, friend. Let us see. Yes, AB, nothing but height of flying height of helicopter. Height of helicopter from the ground. Height of the helicopter from the ground is equals 50 meters. Clear? Next, angle of depression XAC, that is also nothing of ACB, that is nothing but theta equals to 45. XAC, angle of depression, is equals to ACB. These two are alternate interior angles. These two are equal because alternate interior angles are concept I am using here. Friends, next we have to find distance between AC. Distance, length of AC means hypotenuse we have to find. Now why we have to use the concept of trigonometric triangle concept I have to use here. Dear friends, ABC, I have to try like this only. ABC, okay, right. Now in this we have to keep the theta here. We have to keep the theta here. This is absolutely OS. This is AS. This is hypotenuse. Dear friends, you should observe which is asking to you. AC is asking. AC means here hypotenuse. Yes, you are right. Absolutely correct. What is given? OS given. Yes, that relation, that ratio should be OS by H or H by OS. Yes sir, sin theta sir. From the Osha Chota I know sin theta. Yes, which trigonometric ratio we have to use this find this question is sin theta only. Yes, chalo. Now sin theta is equals to opposite side nothing but AB and hypotenuse is nothing but AC. From the comparison of two triangles. Now theta 45, substitute AB which is given 50, we have to find distance between the two persons. Sin 45 absolutely 1 by root, very nice. Yes, sin 45 cos 45 same. Now 50 by AC, now do the cross multiplication, AC 1 by AC into 50 root 2 meters. Therefore the distance between two persons Kartikeya and Sri Sai is nothing but persons AC is equals to 50 root 2 meters. This is your complete answer, my dear friends. By applying the sin theta trigonometric ratio, we have to find the answer easiest manner. Question is 3 less, large question, huge question, but we should get the answer very small way. Right friends, I hope that you have to understand the concept of angle of elevation, angle of depression in easiest manner by seeing these two examples. Now I should give such a practicing questions to you. That answer also I will post in our next video. Till then practice, see the videos many times and please subscribe our channel and share to everybody, give a like, comment and everything. Now please encourage this kind of program. Thank you very much.